Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is day 6 of the 50k BULENOX challenge. So if you guys haven't already seen last week's videos of 1 through 5, please go ahead and check it out. But ultimately, we ended on a solid green streak. I wanted to bring the same energy and momentum and concentration into this week's training sessions. So without further ado, let's jump into today's live trades. Alright, it's a little bit before 9 a.m. And it's a pretty good move this morning, as you guys can tell. A lot of bullish momentum. Slowly started to trickle down. Maybe see a push back to the 21 EMA. If we have enough sellers, but we are in a downtrend right now on the 22nd. So I will probably take this short here if we don't get a reversal back over the EMAs. So alright, so what I'm looking at is just a few minutes ago we had this previous resistance before we took off for a 2-leg move. Don't know if we're going to keep it as actual support around this whole area here. This might be a move. I'd like to see it break this previous of 530. I'm going to get him on long for a break at 530. But looking at the overall picture, probably not the best time to have gotten in, if I'm being honest with you guys. Yeah. Just because we're coming down here. Chances for reversal for the bigger chart is it's kind of weak right now at this top area too. Let's see. Perfect. Actually, we were able to grab that nice little play, that little momentum. Just because on the smaller time frame, like I think I've mentioned it in my Apex video, that there's just more opportunities, whereas with these ones, yeah, you see the bigger picture, but it takes a little more time for it to play out. And I like the 20-second because I'm able to get in and get out really, really quick. And this morning was really good on my other accounts. I was able to pass a few more evaluations, actually. Oh, look at that. We came back to our previous level from earlier in the morning. I want to see if we're going to hold this 30, though. That was like my target. I put 29 just to be safe. A few points shorter. Looks like EMA's about to cross. Let's see if we actually break above, though. Okay. Alright, we got a double tap off of that. 33. 33 is kind of the target. There she is. We tapped her. Okay, let's see if we come back here. We can hold this, retest off the 21. Come back in the trend. Let's see. I want to get in right here, but we're at 30. That was my key target earlier. I'm going to get in one long. And my target this time is going to be 32, right below that previous area of resistance. If we're able to get this bounce off the 21 right here. In the back of the trend, that's the target. To stay over the trend. There we go. Beautiful. Now we could definitely have put it to 32, 75, 33, like what it tapped earlier. Yeah, so right now we are up on the day about 270, give or take. Obviously fees. Okay, come back to 21. We're gonna bounce. Oh, there's another bounce. This is our level to break now, 33.50, because we had previous touches 1, 2 in the past few minutes here. Bouncing off the 21 so far. Let's see if we're gonna hold this. So we're gonna pull back and then break up. I'm looking to get into another long, maybe one more for the morning on this account. 35, and then we got 41. Those are our levels. Let's see here. We're climbing. There we go. Another pull back. I'm gonna delete this. This is kind of like our unspoken levels. There's just this little range. Oh wait, there we go. Boom, boom, yep. Let's see if we hold this. Then we have this little bit of gap right here between these two wicks for it to break just a little bit lower. But if we break above, we can stay in this tiny little area here between 33-ish to about 27. So it's about 6 to 7 points that we're ranging between for this short-term frame. Let's see. Got a lot of buyers right here. I'm gonna take this long. It's 35. I can see it push to 40 possibly. I'm gonna take one more long. It's the last one I think of this account. Move this 27, and then my target is 41 for the bigger picture, but honestly 30. Was it 35 I mentioned earlier? Okay, well if we break 35, I think I'll put 36.50. We're gonna hold it though. Kind of want to bring it to the second level of our stop loss, but let's just hold it here. Previous highs 36.50, so if we can at least tap 36.50 over here, the crossover happened. Let's see if we can hold. It's kind of hesitating right now. Don't really like that. Perfect. All right, stayed really calm and patient on that one. Saw the break, and then we got a retest, but also it was a little bit of FOMO, if I'm being honest with you guys, because I saw this long wick. But this just kind of shoot up. I thought we were gonna take off to 41. I still see 41 in target if we're able to hold above this. I mean, we got the break and retest here, but it's kind of a weak doji. We'll see where it wants to go. But I think I'm going to call it on this account. We are up about 390. So total 52,410. So just shy of our $3,000 target. And yeah, let's go ahead and wrap up the video. And that is a wrap of episode 6 for the 50K BULENOX challenge. It feels like this is going by really quickly, but it may be because I'm recording and then uploading this about a week after the fact. But nonetheless, it's really fun making and putting out all this content for you guys. As of February 12th, we actually hit 180 subscribers. So as usual, I want to say thank you so much for your amazing support and wanting to join and grow this community. I'm hoping by the end of February, we can hit 250 subscribers if possible. So if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the button down below. Thank you again for your amazing support, and I will see you all in episode 7.